Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have 2 photos. Now act. Open Instagram and swipe right to Stories or tap the plus then story. Tap the gallery icon and select your first image. Once selected, use the sticker tool immediately to add the second photo via the photo sticker. This preserves quality and allows resizing. Make sure to position the first image so there's space for the second. Once done, you'll have a layered canvas ready for the middle steps. Now place the second image. Tap the sticker tray and pick the photo sticker. Instagram surfaces recent roll images. Select your second photo. It appears as a movable sticker on top of the first. Pinch to scale and rotate to fit. Drag to align edges or create overlap. If you need exact placement, use grid lines or the edge snapping that appears. These help keep things centered and tidy. Make sure to leave breathing room for text or tags before final. Finish by adding text, stickers, or music to complement both images. Once satisfied, tap Save if you want to copy or share to post to your story. If the photo sticker won't appear or is low quality, make sure both images are high resolution and reopen stories. Clearing app cache or updating Instagram often fixes sticker issues. If repositioning is needed, tap the sticker again to edit. Once posted, you can't move it, so verify layout first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.